Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna prepare some cube steaks. We call it chicken fried steaks. So let me get started because I have to marinate the cube steaks for about 30 minutes. And let me get that started, okay? Okay, I'm gonna tenderize the meat. 1 cup of water. Place the meat in the bag first. It's like 4 pieces. This is 1.16 pounds of meat. So I have the 1 cup of water. This is going to tenderize the cube steaks. Use 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, that's white vinegar. It's a tablespoon here. A half a teaspoon of salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, I'm gonna grab the sugar. Okay, I'm gonna mix up everything in this bag, and I'm gonna let it sit on the counter for 30 minutes while the meat marinates. I love dark gravy, so this bill. I want the cube steaks to be covered by the gravy, and I'm gonna turn the eye down a little bit so it can cook to tenderize the steaks a little bit more, and we have some good gravy. This is really an old classic recipe. It's been around for a long, long time. So try this recipe. Let me know if you like it in the comments section. Okay? And enjoy. But keep watching. I'm not finished. There it is.